Hey everybody, today we're going to be opening in a package. This one right here. It's in this box. Okay, so it's the Lovense Max 2. This is what it is. That's what's in that box. It is a Bluetooth remote controlled, it's got dual simulation, adjustable suction, body safe, and a year warranty. You can also do local control using the app, the Lovense remote app. Long distance, for example, when someone is from another town or country, you guys are added together or added each other on the app, and you can control his or hers toy. Yeah, that would work with the Nora as well. Nora, Calor, that's the other toy for the males. Nora's for the female one, and then this one, the Max 2, that's for long distance. Yeah, it is a Bluetooth, 360 degrees contractions and extended vibrator, adjustable air vent to control the suction, signed for solid way, close range, long distance control, and long distance sex. That's what it says on the back here. I think you're probably bored with that, so we're going to be opening this up now. That was just I think, brief overview of what it was. I just need to open this up. There we go. Systems. Okay, something as well about it. It's wrapped up like this. Already broken from there, okay. It's pretty fragile here. Okay, so we're opening up now. Alright, so have inside here. It's actually a bit of weight to it. Bit of weight to this. Inside you'll have obviously the main product. Main product, this one. Yep. And there's these two buttons here for that. And there was the air vent, I think that was saying at the back. Yeah. Need to look at the manual on how to use that. And when we turn this on. Oh, okay. So when you twist this on, there's this bag in here. that's to protect the ring, so that's in there. Okay, and also we have the manual right here, which tells you like which buttons are which, you know, so like charging, like different vibration modes. Yeah, all sorts. It's in different languages as well. Obviously I look in English, so that's the one that I know. Yeah, what's included. Okay, a charging cable right here, the peg. You can see that here. And a bag, storage bag. It's in here. That's about it, really. Pretty simple. Okay, I'll put this back. And we'll just look at this in more detail. Maybe I'll have to grab that manual to know to understand what it is. Yeah, so there's a button A. So button A is this one, button A, and then button B is cycle through contractions, that one here. Yeah, and then the bottom, which this part here, is a quick air release. It's this one here. Yeah, yeah, and then adjustable air vent. That one, sorry. So that one's adjustable air vent. This one. Go on that. Oh, hang on. I think you just have to do that. That one. It closes that off, and then opens it up again. Alright. And charging port is here. You see the two dots there, and it's shaped like that charging port. What is it? Air pump vent. Must be open when using a toy and closed when washing. So this is the air pump vent. So you close this like that. When you're washing it, you close it like that. But when you're using it, you can just open that, and then some air that can go in and go out. Yeah, so it's pretty much like that. Yeah, so I'll open this up again. This is where you put it in, you know. And there's that holder, there's a sleeve in there as well. Just take this bag off from there. There's a bag in there as well. I'll just try and lift this up. Okay, that is the sleeve. And that's what the inside looks like. Yep, so this is it's called a sleeve, that comes with it. This is a neutral one. So it's just a clear one. Like that. And it's got like ropes. I don't know what you call them, but there's like dots in there. I think for stimulation there's some dots in there. You can see. There's another option as well. There's the vaginal sleeve, but that's at an additional cost. And I think that one feels more realistic from what I've heard from other people that have been saying they've done reviews on it. That one's more realistic than slightly this one, but this is more neutral, so it's just like a hole inside here. With the other one, it's like more of the realistic look of the actual vagina, so it replicates that. Not with this one though. Yeah. So alright, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hope you, if you do buy this toy, then enjoy.